In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find recently modified files in Google Drive. This can be incredibly useful when you're trying to track down documents or files that you or others have recently worked on. Whether you're preparing for a meeting, trying to recall where you left off on a project, or simply want to stay organized, knowing how to quickly locate your most recent files can save you a lot of time and hassle. So, let's dive right in and make this process as easy as possible for you. First, we need to access Google Drive. Open up your web browser and head over to the Google homepage. From there, you can easily navigate to Google Drive by using the grid icon often referred to as the App Launcher, which is located in the top right-hand corner of your screen. Click on this icon, and from the drop-down menu, select Google Drive. Alternatively, you can simply type Google Drive Sign In into the search bar, click on the official link, and sign in using your Google account credentials if prompted. This will lead you directly to your Google Drive homepage. Once you've successfully logged into Google Drive, the next step is straightforward. You're going to want to look at the options listed on the left-hand side of your screen. You're looking for one that says Recent. This is your key to finding the files that have been recently modified. Go ahead and click on Recent. This will transform the main part of your screen into a list of files. What you'll see here is a streamlined view of your files that have been recently opened or edited. They will be listed from the most recently modified at the top to those older in date further down. By clicking this Recent tab, you skip the hassle of having to remember file names or dig through folders. However, if you're managing a particularly large number of files, you might want to use the search bar at the top to narrow down the results further. By entering a keyword, you can filter this list even more. To recap, accessing your recently modified documents in Google Drive is a simple two-click process once you're signed in. Navigate to Recent, and there you have it, a list of your most recent work. With this method, staying on top of your work and quickly accessing the documents you need is a breeze. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Keep this guide in mind whenever you need to access your recent files quickly. Please like this video if you found it useful and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.